Drakon is an algorithmic visual programming language developed within the Buran space project. History. The development of Drakon started in 1986 and was directed by Vladimir Paranjanov with the participation of Russian Federal Space Agency and Russian Academy of Sciences. The language was constructed by formalization, ergonomization and non-classical structurization of flowcharts described in the ISO 5807-85 standard and Russian standard 19.701-90, and for the development of real-time programs. The goal was to replace specialized languages PROL2 on board of Buran, DIPOL and LAKS used in the Buran project with one universal programming language. The work was finished in 1996, when an automated case programming system called Graphite Phlox was developed. This case is used since 1996 in many major space programs. An international project Sea Launch, Russian orbit insertion upper stage frigate, upgraded heavy launch vehicle Proton M, etc. Drakon rules for creating diagrams are cognitively optimized for easy comprehension, making it a tool for intelligence augmentation. Family of Drakon languages. Drakon is a backronym for, which stands for, Friendly Russian Algorithmic Language that provides clarity. Drakon is not a single language but a family of hybrid languages, such as Drakon C, Drakon Java, etc. All hybrid languages of the Drakon family have a uniform graphical syntax and differ in textual one. The standard graphical syntax provides visual similarity of Drakon charts of different hybrid languages. Every hybrid language of the family has its own textual syntax. The unification of the rules of the graphical syntax in the hybrid languages secures their conceptual unity. The basis of the graphical syntax is a graphical alphabet. Graphical elements of the Drakon alphabet are called icons. There are 27 icons in the Drakon graphical alphabet. Drakon has not only icons, but also macroicons. Macroicons are the graphical words of the Drakon language. Just as words are made up of letters, macroions consist of the icons. There are 21 macroicons in the Drakon language. Icons and macroions are the building blocks for constructing Drakon charts. The important parts of macroions are valence points. Into these points, icons or microicons can be successively entered and arranged by Drakon editor in neat, orderly vertical rows. Examples.